Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And today our lesson is about finding the mean of ungroup data. This is for week 1, day 1 of grade 8, quarter 1 under the Matatag curriculum for school year 2025-2026. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Now, what is a mean in a central tendency? In statistics, the mean, often called the average, is a measure of central tendency. It's calculated by summing all values in a data set and then dividing by the total number of values. It's a fundamental tool for understanding the typical value within a set of data. In short, we have this formula: mean is equal to sum of data over the number of data. Now, for example, we have the height of 6 students are 1.56 meter, 1.67 meter, 1.49 meters, 1.57 meters, 1.77 meters, and 1.68 meters. So then it says calculate the mean height. So your solution should be uh, find the mean height, that is sum of the height over the number of students. So let's add all the given data, then divided by 6. So we get this 9.66 divided by 6, or that's about 1.61 meters. So the mean height of the 6 students is 6 point or 1.61. Okay, next let's have this one. Let's practice. The scores of 8 students in an English test are 79, 58, 73, 66, 50, 80, 89, 91, and 58. Find the mean score. So for your solution, to get the mean score, we have the sum of scores over the number of students. So we added all 59 plus 50, 79 plus 58 plus 73 plus 56 plus 50 plus 89 plus 91 plus 58 divided by 8. That's 564 divided by 8, or that's about 70.5. So the main scores of um, 8 students is 70.5. Now let's have this. Okay, finding the unknown given the mean. So here, the mean of 10, 15, 12, 20, and x is 13. So calculate the value of x. So first, we add all the given plus the x. Let's then divide 5. So it's equals to 13. So since 13 is the mean, divided by 1. So remember, the denominator of whole number is 1. So we get the add all of this, no? And that's 57 plus x equals 65. Why 65? Because we have to cross multiply this, no? So 5 times 13 is 65. Okay? So to get the value of x, that's 65 minus 57. So remember, when you transpose a certain number to the other side, you have to change. So 65 minus 57, that is 8. All right? All right. So let us continue. So we have here um our practice 2. The mean of the 44, 47, y, 58, and 55 is 50. So find the value of y. So we add all the datas: 44 plus 47 plus 58 plus 55 plus y divided by 5. That's equals to 52 over 1. Then we add all this is 204 plus y equals 260. That's from 52 times 5. Okay. Then, so y, okay, so I forgot now. This should be y. That's 260 minus 204, that is 56. So that means the value of y is 56. Okay, next. Okay, so we have here a problem involving the mean. Okay, the mean of six numbers is 17. Four of the number are 15, 17, 20, and 22. So the remaining are each equal to x. Then calculate A, the sum of the six numbers, B, the value of the x. So solution for A, since mean is equals to the sum of the six numbers divided by 6, so we get here, then the sum of the six numbers is equal to 6 times the mean. So 6 times 17, that's 102. Okay, so this is our answer for letter A, right? Now for letter B, the value of x, so 15 plus 17 plus 20 plus 22 plus 2x, no? So we have 2x's here, so 74 plus 2x equals 102. Then 2x equals 102 minus 74, that's 28. Divided by 2, so cancel this out, so the x is equals to 14. Now, let's have this. Okay, so as your given, okay, so the number of passengers or coaches traveling along 12 popular scenic routes are 29, 42, 45, 39, 36, 31, 38, 37, 43, 35, 32, and 40. Find the number of or the mean number of passengers on the coaches. Okay, so all you have to do is add, all right? So to get the mean, we have add all the numbers, so 29 plus 42 plus 45 plus 39 plus 36 plus 41 plus 38 plus 37 plus 43 plus 35 plus 32 plus 40. Okay, divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So divided by 12. No, there are 12 numbers. So we add that one. Okay. The total value is, the total value for that one is um 457. So that is about 457 divided by 12. So the mean is 38.08. 38.08 or 38, no? So the number of passengers on each coaches is 38, no? So 38 passengers in each. Oh, let's have. Okay, we shall continue now. Okay, right. So consider the heights in centimeter of various plants in a field. So we have 39 or 19.90, 24.45, 34.65, 30, 26.50, 44.05, 38.95, 56.40, 48.75, 29.30, and 35.65. Find the mean height of the plant. So, okay, so we get here The total is 358.6 divided by 10, or the mean is 35.86. Okay, let's continue. Now let's have the activity 3. The mean of 7 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 32 centimeter is 10. Find the value of 8. So all you have to do is add all this 7 plus 15 plus 12 plus 5 plus 8 plus 13 equals 10, then divided by 6. So cross multiply. So we get 52 plus 8 equals 60. So 8 is equals to 60 minus 52, or the value of 8 is 8. Okay. Now let's have this activity 4. The mean of 8 numbers is 12. Find the numbers, no, that are 10 and 28. So the remaining three numbers are each equal to k. So find A, the sum of 8 numbers. B, we have the value of k. Now, the sum of 8 numbers, no, so that's 8 times the mean, or yeah, that's equals to 9 times 8 times 12 is 96. For the value of k, so we have 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 10 plus 28 plus the 3k's, no? So we get 57 plus 3k equals 96. 3k is equal to 96 minus 57, that's equals to 39. So divided each by 3, the answer is 13. Now, how will you know that your answer is correct? You add all this, no? So the total of the these numbers, okay, and we have 57. So 57 plus that that the the 3k's, which is 39, okay, then we have 1696, right? 96. So then divide it by 12. Divided by, the answer is 12. Sorry, 8. Divided by 8. Okay. The answer is 12. So the mean is 12. That's it. Okay. Overcome nervousness. So confidence building strategies. For the school year, let's be confident that we can do it, and we start with a new height, new face, and everything. Okay. Love you all.